Hi everyone. So here is interesting trending app which is called Woo, location sharing app. And yes, it starts to climb in charts. You can find it similar to like Snapchat Maps or Live 360, but Woo app is like super new. It has very limited features yet, but the aim of this app is just focus on this like location sharing on maps, where you can easily find friends on your map, and then you can tap on your friends and see where everyone is allocated at this moment, and then just hang out, so you can just see who is where. You can send messages, but this messaging feature is not working yet. So then you can just add friends just by searching them here. Like for example, you can just add friends like this. I don't know if it's a Chinese app or something like that, but it's trending in the US App Store. And then you can just share your location with other people just by using QR code or just sharing the link. And yeah, so mostly this app is available in the United States. I guess that's at least where they have users, because if you're in Europe or somewhere, it's not there yet. So that's what it is. So you can just go to this app, and then you can see your QR code. You can see some some settings. You can edit your profile. You can change profile picture. You can reach out to support. If you want, you can easily delete your account, but your account will be deleted and seems it's not to be recovered. You add like 0 friends at the moment. You can add friends here. You can change app icon. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. The user base of this app is growing. There are still so many features to be built here. So yeah, that's basically what it is at the moment. But hopefully it develops and brings new features.